So what's up guys, Matt here with Droid Tech. I know I haven't made a video in a very long time because I was really getting used to my new job and stuff, so I didn't have time to actually make videos and grab some products. But I have more coming on the way, so do stay tuned. But anyway, this is something I didn't expect to get today. My friends at the telco actually called me up and said, oh, stock's ready, you can come and collect it today. So I was like, oh, really stunned and really excited. I know there's probably a ton of videos already doing unboxings of the iPhone XS Max, which I have right in front of me. But anyway, this is my unboxing of the Malaysian version of the iPhone XS Max. So without further ado, let's begin this video. So taking a look at the box and the wrapper is actually, I've already opened it because the telco actually asked me to unwrap it and take a look at the contents inside to make sure everything is perfect. They even asked me to turn on the phone to make sure everything is working perfectly fine. You can see the wrapper is already taken off. So anyway, I tried to seal it back the best I could, but to no avail. So let's just unbox it. As you can see, this is the 256GB version of the iPhone XS Max. And I think 512GB is way too much for a phone. I mean, if you're using probably a Ultrabook or something, or even an iPad, that would probably make sense, as you'll be probably editing videos on it and stuff. But on a phone, I think it's pretty insane and the price tag is too high. So I decided to get myself 256GB in the latest color, which is gold, of course. You can see from the box here. So let's quickly pull off the wrapper. It's not so fun anymore because I just had to tear it at the shop. So anyway, this is the box, the usual Apple presentation. You can see there's a nice gold trim around. Not sure whether the camera's picking it up. You can see like a sort of a matte chrome embossed iPhone on top of the box. And you can see the side is iPhone, bottom Apple logo, iPhone, and Apple logo again. 256GB. You can see. Okay, so let's open the box and see what we have inside. So the usual Apple presentation. See, designed by Apple in California. So as you expect to see inside, the small sleeve is actually a quick start guide. You all know how to use iPhones, and iPhone hasn't really changed in the past few years. I mean, the OS in sense, so it should be pretty straightforward. So you can see quick start guide in 2 languages. See, just for the fun of it, see it right here. So you can see there's a SIM ejector tool right here as well. We all know what to do. Straightforward. Some user guide tips, I guess. Okay, let's put that to the side. Not really important stuff. Apple stickers, which I don't really use at all, even though I collect them. So you can see the phone is even taken off the wrapper because I actually went over to a local store and got a screen protector installed on my phone. This is something like Clear Coat by Mobile Outfitters, but this is called Protection Pro by Clearplex, if I'm not mistaken. And I think that's pretty good, so I decided to install it, and it's pretty cheap. I mean, 90 ringgit, 1 year warranty on like maybe yellowing, peeling, and also I think that's a pretty good deal. So let's take a look at what comes inside the box. So Apple EarPods, which I never ever used because I actually use my own headphones. And then you can see there's no 3.5mm to lightning adapter there. What a bummer, but I use Bluetooth anyway. You can see lightning cable, the usual set of like stuff, and also a charging brick, a slow charging brick. But anyway, I have the Mophie wireless charger, so it's not a big deal. I took it over from my iPhone X, which I sold off about a week ago. Okay, so now let's take a look at the phone itself. So let's just go through the basic stuff on the exterior of the phone, which is the earpiece, then your front camera and other sensors, your infrared, which shoots out dots at your face so you can be able to scan it for Face ID and stuff. And also this also acts as the secondary speaker, the stereo speaker. And you see the massive screen right here, which is something I'm really excited about because I always hated the iPhone X screen because it's too small, even though it's excellent, but it's too small for me because I'm used to using big phones like the Huawei P20 Pro, which is my daily driver, and also my S9 Plus. So those are really big screen phones, and I came to this and I was like, oh, it's so cramped. I'm trying to type and I keep on making mistakes. So, but now they've solved it with the XS Max. So okay, taking a look at the side, you can see volume rocker and also your mute ring switch, usual. You can see this beautiful gold color. And you can see the not so symmetrical design of the speaker grill as well as the microphone. I'm not a really big fan of that, but it doesn't affect my OCD. And then you can see the redesigned antenna line, or antenna band I should say. You can see this beautiful gold color. I'm in love with this color. In fact, I'm more in love with this color than with the black one, because the black is not actually black but more towards a grey color. That's why they call it space grey. I didn't really like the look of the grey, so I think this beautiful gold finish looks excellent. You can see the SIM card tray, the usual affair, which is your Siri and also your power button and your wake button. So on the top, redesigned antenna bands again. Let me get that in focus. Yeah, right there. I think this gold color scratches pretty fast, so I would rather put on a case, or at least some sort of skin on your phone. I mean, you don't want to hide the color of your phone, so maybe you can put a clear skin. Okay, so taking a look at the back, you can see this gorgeous gold color, which is also pretty chrome in a way. And you can see the all new 12 megapixel camera with a telephoto lens as well. So that we'll get to in the next video, where I do some camera samples and video shots and stuff like that. So do stay tuned for that. I'm really in love with this color. It's so nice and reflective. It's not going to be reflective for longer because my fingerprints is going to probably destroy the look of it. So you can see Apple logo, iPhone as the usual affair. So you can see it's very nice. I mean, I'm very curious to how this band will actually hold up, because my space gray iPhone in fact didn't show any scratches, even though I didn't really use a case on it most of the time. So I think that is really good, but I think this one is going to show scratches. You can see there's probably a thing or two at the corner in the button. I mean, you can see right there. I don't know how I got it. Maybe my nail scrapped it or something when I was taking it out of the box. But anyway, gonna have a case on it and probably a skin at the back, just showing off the nice gold band. So this is stainless steel as usual. I intended to get the iPhone XR, but I decided not to, because I really love stainless steel, because it is very nice in the hand, because there's a certain amount of weight. That's it for this video. I will get into the camera test in the next video. This has just been a quick unboxing. So take care guys, and see you in the next video.